Sabi mo, sige!
If it's easier said than done, then someone tell me why. Though I try, I can't find the words to say goodbye.
Sabay pagkain niyan ba kayo?
I could tell her that I'm sorry and hope she'll understand. She will have to deal with someone else all that we have planned.
Ikaw din tumigit ka kay Abo. Gumagano ano ka rin.
I'd rather her hear the truth.
Kala naman na. Uy, nalirat. Kanina tumihan.
So I try, but I can't find the words to say goodbye. I know I have to go. There's no other way.
Tara na, swimming ba tayo? Hindi.
It's not what if I told her, see you later, then I might be wrong.
Kumari matadaanan din.
Voice inside is driving me to find where I belong. And I know I must leave her now. Every time I try, don't know why, but I can't find the words to say